What's up, guys? It's your boy Nick with Hercules Fit, and I know I haven't been uploading that often. I have an excuse. I've been grinding. I've been really grinding. So check out Hercules Fit pullover hoodies. I like to do my cardio in these, and like I said, you look like a fucking superhero. Check them out. 20% off April 24th to 25th. Link in the description below. Take you directly to my store. Go ahead, check them out. Birthday coming up, so I am going to be offering a sale on my programs. This will be link in the description below, and you can get all of these things 20% off. And I'm going to be 24 years old for those that want to know. So guys, today I want to talk about a push-pull legs program. So when I first started lifting weights, I did not know how to work out, obviously, but I was led in the right direction by my dad, and he recommended I do a push-pull legs. You can work all your pushing movements on one day, all your pulling movements on one day, and then work all your legs by themselves. So I tried it out, and I got phenomenal results very, very fast. Gets you acclimated to high volume training. And if you guys follow this channel, you know that high volume training is going to be the key to building the most muscle. You have to overload the muscle with enough sets and reps at the end of each week for it to sufficiently grow. Push-pull leg split is very, very good for allowing you to really overload each muscle group and burn out the muscle groups. You're working all these different muscle groups together. So for example, say you're working your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. With a push-pull leg split, when you work your chest, you're still working some of your triceps. When you work your triceps, you're still working some of your chest. You're still working some of your shoulders. Everything is all connected. So that leads to a great stimulus for muscle growth. I did this program for years. I'd say maybe 5 or 6 years I did a push-pull legs program. I didn't switch into a different program until I came to college, and I wanted just to switch things up, and I just wanted to do something different because I had done the push-pull legs for so long. But honestly, I've seen people stick with this program their entire life, make great gains. So it's not one of those things that you can only do it for a certain amount of time. You can do it as long as you want. There's Mr. Olympia competitors that still do push-pull leg splits. This program is great because it allows you to work all these muscle groups together, and they almost have like a positive feedback going around. So you work your chest, your shoulders and your triceps are getting worked. You work your shoulders, vice versa. Everything is getting worked. Same thing, you work your biceps and your back. Your back is getting worked with your biceps, and your biceps is still getting worked for your back, which allows you to really grow the muscle and develop the muscle in ways that you wouldn't be able to do if you were just doing a full body split or even some of the other bodybuilding splits that are available. So in this split, in my program, I have 2 programs. For my bulking program, you will be training 6 days a week. That's right, high volume. So do not get this program if you don't want to work. If you don't want to work, this ain't the program for you. I'm gonna start off with who this program is not for. You all know me by now. I do not say I'm everybody's trainer. I am not everybody's trainer. If you don't want to put in the work, if you don't want to put in the necessary time to build your body or to shed the fat off of your body or whatever it is that your goal is, then I'm not the trainer for you. This is not the program for you. However, if you are willing to pull in the work and you are willing to do what it needs to be done, then you will do well on this program. This program is very highly based upon the amount of effort you are willing to put into it. If you put a lot of effort into it, you will get phenomenal results. If you don't put a lot of effort into it, then you will not get phenomenal results. You will get out of it what you put into it. I've laid the foundation. I've laid the blueprint in the program. All you got to do is follow it and do your best. That's it. So with my 12-week bulking program, you will be doing 6 days a week, push-pull legs, repeat every 3 days. So every 3 days it will repeat, and you have a rest day on Sunday, or you could put your rest day on Thursday, depending upon what it is that you want to do. I call it a winter bulk, but really you could do it any time of the year. If you want to bulk during the summertime, bulk in the summertime. If you want to, I've bulked all times of the year. It really doesn't matter. It's really going to come down to just putting in the work, following it, and being consistent. You will get the results. For my next program that I have out, and again, both of these are 20% off, April 24th and 25th. It is a 12-week summer shred. It's also a push-pull legs program, but I have specific cardio and specific other exercises on there that is not on the bulking program. The bulking program is purely weightlifting. The summer shred program is a combination of weight training, cardio, and six-pack abs training. A lot of you guys want to know how I get abs. I'm about to show you how on this program. You're going to learn how to do that on this program. You're going to get the exercises to do that. You're also going to get the diet to get you abs, which is going to be the most important thing on this program. So both programs come with a meal plan. Both programs come with videos where I talk about, what I eat, the videos from this channel, and also other videos from other sources that I thought were very good sources, foods that I eat, etc. On these programs, if you are unfamiliar how to do the exercises, you will need to YouTube them if you don't have a general idea. These programs are more so for people that already have a general idea of how to lift weights. If you don't have a general idea of how to lift weights, you may want to opt more so for my personal online coaching than these programs, because you will be lifting weights with these programs. With that being said, guys, I think you would do great on this program if you have a hard work ethic and you just stay consistent. Hell, even if you do half the program, you'll still lose weight. You'll still build muscle, even if you just do half the fucking program. I mean, I got so much stuff on there, so much good content on there. You'll still get results even if you don't fully follow it. But obviously, you'll get the best results if you stay consistent and work hard and follow the program to a T. So guys, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for all the support, for all my people that have been watching me for a while. You know that I've been putting out a lot of content for free on this channel for almost a year now, which I don't have a problem with. I like helping people reach their goals, and I like also, showing people tips and tricks that help me in my bodybuilding and in my fitness journey. But we gonna get paid too, so check those programs out. Link in the description. HerculesPhysique.com. I have a new website. These are very brand new programs. Some of you guys have already got them. I appreciate it. But if you haven't, check them out. They will be 20% off April 24th through 25th, and they're not even that expensive. So even if you miss the sale, they're not expensive. I mean, they're not even that expensive. I purposely made them buyable for anybody that's willing to buy them and put in the work. So I appreciate you guys. Like, comment below other topics you want me to talk about. Check those programs out. Check my merchandise out. I got this one out. This nice navy blue Hercules fit pullover hoodie. You can get that. Link in the description below. Use promo code Hercules20 for 20% off. And it's your boy Hercules.